In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Google Drive folder. While Google Drive doesn't offer a traditional password lock for folders, you can effectively lock a folder by restricting who can access it. Think of it as setting a tight guest list. Once you set the right permissions, only the people you choose will be able to open that folder, and everyone else will be blocked. On a computer, start by opening Google Drive and locating the folder you want to protect. Right-click the folder and choose Share. This opens the sharing window where all the important controls live. At the top or near the bottom, you'll see a section called General Access. Change this to Restricted. That one switch is the core of the lock. It tells Drive not to let just anyone with a link in. Now look at the People with Access section. Add only the people you want to allow in, using their email addresses. Next to each person's name, choose the right role. Viewer is the safest if they only need to look at files. Commenter lets them leave feedback without changing content. Editor grants full control to add, change, or delete items. As a general rule, give the least access needed. When you're done, click Done. From this point on, only those listed people can open the folder. If someone tries without permission, they'll be blocked, and even a shared link won't work for them. Recipients may need to be signed into the correct Google account to get in. For extra security, open Share again and click the small gear icon for settings. Turn off the option that lets editors change permissions. This prevents someone you trust with edit access from widening the audience without your knowledge. You can also turn off the setting that allows viewers to download, print, or copy files. That's optional, but it helps keep files from being casually duplicated. Keep in mind that no setting can stop someone from taking a screenshot, so treat this as strong access control, not digital rights management. Here's the important truth to remember. There is no password you can set on a Google Drive folder, and there's no single lock button. Security is entirely controlled by sharing permissions. Restrict access, invite only the right people, pick the appropriate roles, and use the gear settings to tighten things further. Do that, and your folder will be as locked as Google Drive allows.